XD.
I had a piece of pizza. Do I have anything in my teeth?
No.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Lost with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another from
Rick Jr., you always forget.
I know, I always
every
say
time.
what we're doing in the video, and then I introduce.
You say that, but then you're about to just dive in and start rating the truck right away.
From the gallery. Wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories.
15.
CustomOffsets.com. You're rating that a 15?
2.
You're rating that a 2?
4.
Which one is it?
I don't know. We should go over them.
Okay, fine. First up, 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 TIS 544, black and milled, maybe. Who knows? 22 by 12, -44. Thunderer track grip MTs 35, 12.5 in a rough country suspension lift of 6 inches. Some quick specs and details: slight rub at full turn, minor plastic trimming, no spacers, rock lights, and LEDs all the way.
So Banker would have known with his truck if he was cool.
It's a pretty good sunset photo. Those roads look dicked. He must be from Wisconsin. Oh wait, I think they're just muddy. Oh no,
Is that even a road?
Is that even a road, bud? All right, well, yeah, it's a new truck.
Good photos.
Yeah, I really dig the photo, other than the
That's a banger.
You know, it does have some banging photos. Okay. All right, I think I'm ready. Pretty easy, simple build.
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, 7.
Yeah.
I think it's just a solid start. Obviously, you're already off to a good start with a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's brand new. I like how he went with a popular show wheel in the 2212, did a 6-inch lift, and obviously 35s. I think tire-wise, I don't really know a lot about those, but you know, it's one of those, you tend to see a lot of people do this. They kind of go like expensive wheel, cheaper tire.
Whatever tire works.
Whatever tire works, you want to get those TISs, and yeah, it's just a solid option. These trucks you can go far ways with as they continue to release, you know, accessories and stuff. So
yeah, and it looks like he probably like uses this thing too, or he just likes having a muddy truck, or just sloppy Wisconsin type winter, you know how it goes. But it looks like it's still functional at the same time, right? It's not too high that it's impractical or anything like that. You can still get to and from. It was a job site with a crane or something like that. Like you can still do what you need to do with it and everything, and get it all done while still looking extremely good doing it. So
absolutely. All right, next up, 1991 Dodge WT.
Want to try that all over again?
I just had a stroke. 1991 Dodge W250.
Wow.
Archon Off-Road Crown Series Triumph 22 by 14, -81. A Turo Trailblade XTs and a 305/45, which is
2.8 by 12.
You know how to use our website. Skyjacker suspension lift of 4 inches. Dude, I love these things. I want one so bad. Skyjacker suspension, 4 inches in the front, 2 inches in the rear. No rubbing or scrubbing, no trimming, no spacers, 4-inch straight pipe, rebuilt tranny, driveline, etc.
Typical Dodge, the rebuilt tranny.
Bro, this thing is from Nam. Give it a break.
Yeah, this thing's sick. It looks pretty clean. The black wheels kind of get lost. I'm hoping maybe it'd be cool if he had like some of the blue from the truck in the wheels, right? Because that's how we made the Crown Series. So you can take that ring off, you can paint the front of it, you can paint the ring if you wanted to, you can paint the center cap, the logo comes out, all that comes up. To do some like paint to match to it to kind of get it to pop a little bit. I think that would be sick, but I'm ready to rate it.
Now that you gave your whole explanation
yeah,
of
I
why
realized
you hate
that. I didn't say I hated it. Got a lot of potential.
A lot of potential. 3, 2, 1, 7. What do you get? 6?
I already gave you.
Okay. I don't know. I think I really like these things. Like I said, I do want one. I think this in the chrome Archons would look fire.
Yeah, especially because it's got like the chrome on the bumpers and the front and everything like that.
And like the bezels for like the taillights and stuff, the tailgate. I think everything, it just would look so good.
I agree. Unless
Unless you are to like do something with the front clip with like paint to match, like Mopar Darrell's like paint to match front end looks so good.
Yep.
If you're to do something like that, then it makes more sense. But like you said, I think it does get lost. Now, if you were to even go that extra step and take like some of the blue on the hardware, since you can do that on this series or this wheel for Archon, like that with the chrome, I think would look even more dope.
True.
Maybe just modernize it with like some maybe custom headlights. I think whenever I see like old school headlights redone, looks super dope.
Yeah.
Just a couple things that I would do. I expected it to be a little higher for you. You're kind of that old soul. You like them old school
Just don't like Dodges.
But it's a W250. Still a Dodge. All right, moving on. All right, next up, 2012 Ford F-150 TIS 544 black and milled in the 22 by 14 -76. Nitto Trail Grappler in a 375/45, which is a
36 by 15.
35.3 by 14.8.
I was close enough. I'm taking it.
Rough country suspension lift of 6 inches and a 3-inch body. It's got no rubbing or scrubbing, a minor metal trimming, Trim front bumper cut into back fender. No spacers. Horn blaster, Rhino 544s, NFAB side steps, K&N cold air intake, and custom speaker.
What are those, 2414s?
2214s. A lot of 2214s in this episode. It is an FX4, so that's nice. Ooh.
Look at how much stance he's got.
Look at that custom tip. Yeah, that's pretty insane. Especially not having spacers. Like, he's sticking out pretty far. Pretty impressive. Nice looking truck. I dig this rough country cross member too. I think that looks really good. Match. That's one thing that I did really liked about Rainey's truck too, was like, you don't see the silver kits, especially like the McGoy's kits and stuff like that, or you don't see people like paint and match silver.
Yeah.
And I really dig this. I think it looks really clean.
And
Silver and black just like looks
yeah,
good.
but silver's so like plain. I feel like that's people who want to do something crazy, where it's like if you just leave it silver and you have a silver truck, that is your accent underneath it, and it's painted to match to the body.
Yeah.
I like the way it looks. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty large.
Shall we rate it?
Yep, 3, 2, 1, 8.
9.
I think I went a little lower just because I'm not a big like body lift guy personally.
I'm not either, but at the same time, it doesn't look ugly and gross. Like a lot of times you see rusty, yucky frame underneath.
I think GMs, they look really bad, but I think for some reason on this Ford it looks super good.
Unless he conveniently has it all in the shadows for every shot, so you can't really see it. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a big body lift guy either, but it doesn't look awful on this thing, and I like the wheel and tire setup. And at that point, when you have a 6-inch lift, you need to do something to get it up higher, so you're able to run. Like if you're running a 15.5-inch wide tire that's almost 36 inches tall,
Right.
You need that extra height. Otherwise, you're going to be doing a lot more cutting than he did. Because it doesn't look like he did that much cutting, to be honest with you.
No, he said that he trimmed the bumper and the back of the fender, but it doesn't look like he like yanked a ton of it off.
Yeah, no.
And I think even if he were to take that extra step, it looks like he gets 0 turn radius. But you know, ball to the gram. If he were to even go the extra mile and get like an aftermarket bumper, that's going to give him a little more clearance. I think that would be a solid option. But then you got to get into like the paint to match and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But past that, everything looks pretty good. He's off to a good start. I dig the headlights. I think now if he were to get into like some sort of custom grille and then, like I said, maybe bumpers or something, I think it would take it to the next level. But having one of the hottest wheels on the market, a Nitto tire, like you can't go wrong. So. Nice truck. Last but not least, woo, let's go, baby. 2017 Ford
I was like, it's not a 2012, it's a 2017, what?
Ford F350 Super Duty Axe Off-Road AX 1.1.
AX1 is the model, and the .1 is the silver finish.
Boom, nailed it, crushed it. Big wheel guy here.
Did you know that and you were testing me? Or were you genuinely?
Axe wheels, what do you think I am? You think I don't know this?
All right, what does the 35 by 12.5 equal?
A Turo Trailblade MTs and a 35 12.5 ready lift suspension lift of 2.5 inches. 35 12.5 comes out to about like a 320 50 somewhere in there.
Weird.
Let's scroll
It's
down.
like you know how to use our
Boom! Spot on. No rubbing or scrubbing, minor plastic trimming. I don't know how. No wheel spacers. Well, I guess it's got the two-tone. I kind of dig the two-tone, honestly.
I like that you went with the silver wheels with the two-tone because that way it doesn't like take away from it. I think it's
like the tan with the brown.
Is it tan or is it white? I can't.
No, it's tan. It's 100% tan.
No, it's white.
No.
It's just the HDR photos.
No, look at right here. That's a daytime photo.
It's like a light tan
That's kind
color?
of a fire photo for a gas station. Let's just talk
Facts.
about that.
Look at like the truck in the background though. It's like a truck meet.
Yeah, that's definitely like that tan, cream tan with the brown two-tone. I kind of dig it.
Okay.
Past that pretty much sums her up, bud. Looks like some, well, that's probably factory steps.
Yeah, tint.
Powdered spring.
Tint, powdered, yeah. Literally powdered spring, and then wheels, tires, and a leveling kit.
Hell yeah, I dig it. Ready?
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, 7.5. I think it's just a solid start. We don't know whether
it's white or tan.
Yeah, we don't know whether cream ranch.
Cream ranch. That makes me believe that it's cream.
Told you. Friggin' told you. I didn't even know the Instagram name. There he is. What's up, guy?
He's definitely cream.
Wow, that looks really white right there.
Yeah, that is definitely a cream truck. That's white.
No, you said, no, it's not.
That is white.
No,
that
it's
is white.
not. It's freaking cream.
Is that pink to you?
Maybe.
That red truck is pink?
We don't know. We're not there. Cream ranch. So he's got a cream colored King Ranch.
Maybe he likes creamy ranch dressing.
I don't even think this is a King Ranch. No, it's not.
What? It has to be.
Oh, yeah, it is. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. 7.5. Why'd you give it an 8?
I dig it. As far as like what's all got done, it's like nothing crazy, but at the same time, you could drive this thing pretty much anywhere. It's gonna look good doing it. Like I know Glenn had one of these, so like the interiors are super nice. It can go pretty much anywhere. It can hold pretty much anything you'd want it to. Just a good, solid, all-around daily / mobbing truck. I dig it.
with capabilities of going enormous
Infinity.
or, staying at this height. Yeah. It's overall just a solid truck, and it looks really good. I really dig the two-tone, actually. All right, that's what we got for you guys on today's episode of From the Gallery. If you guys want to be...
Hypothetically speaking, if you had to tell me what color would you call this truck?
Okay,
weird.
but
Thank
hold
you.
on.
That's all we need, guys. Peace,
Hold on.
subscribe.
We're not leaving yet. Cream Ranch, right? Cream King Ranch, right? Take a look at some photos. Ooh, I don't know. Listen, all I gotta say is whoever is wrong is gonna get their beat. All right, that's what we got for you guys on today's episode From the Gallery. Wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories, everything else. CustomOffsets.com. Peace.